In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily change the student photos for each student in your class. So the first thing you do is you click on the student photo. But I do want to mention that before proceeding, please be sure that this student's card has been saved as a JPEG file. So if you once this one has been saved as a JPEG, then you can change it to another student. So the way you do that is you click on the student photo and you go up to this Format tab and you click Change Picture from a file. And then you browse to the location on your computer where you have your student photos stored, and you click a different student's photo and then click Insert. And you'll see that now it is the other student's photo and it has been saved. It is still cropped as a circle that is sized just for this card. So this is why I like to do it this way. It's much easier and faster because the pictures stay cropped just to the size that you want it for the card. However, you may want to change it a little bit. Like for this one, I just want their face to show. So I do have to do some further cropping on it. So what you do is you make sure the photo is still selected and you go up to crop, and you hit that crop button. And you'll notice that those black cropping handles come back on as well as the white resize dots. Now, because this picture is already cropped and sized just the way I like it for the card, I'm not going to use the black cropping handles. I'm going to just use the white resize handles along the outside to change the picture. So I go to the one of the white handles and I just want to make him bigger so that it's just his face that's showing in that nice crop circle. Now, if you need to move them down a little bit, you can do that too. So like I want his face to come down a little bit. So you can just move it by just clicking on like the picture and just dragging it down. Okay. So once you get it to where you like it, where their face is in the circle, you just click off the picture to exit cropping mode. And then it has been easily changed to another student. So then after you have their picture changed, you want to save it as a JPEG so that you can send and assign it to this student. So you go up to File, Save As, Browse. You're going to browse to that folder that you made for your student cards. And we need to change both the file name and the file type. So we do the drop-down menu. You want to change it to a JPEG file, a JPEG picture file, and you want to change the file name to the new student's name. Once both the file name and file type has been changed, click Save. You'll receive the pop-up from PowerPoint asking which slides do you want to export. And again, we just want to do one, so you're going to change it to just this one. And now you will have a JPEG of this student's Valentine card in your file. And you keep repeating that process for each student. So you click on it and you change the picture and recrop it for each student. And please make sure that you save the picture, each picture as a JPEG file for each student.